and welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video I'm going to make a cute bracelet which I'm going to gift to one of my colleague. It's her birthday today, but obviously we have weekly off today, so I won't be able to meet her, but I'll surely meet her on Monday, so I'll give it to her. I'll also let you all know what her reaction was. I mean Whatever reaction I get from her. So yes, now let me show you all what I made for her. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. To begin with, I'm going to take jump rings and cowrie shells. I already inserted cowrie shells into one jump ring each. So I'm going to just connect these jump rings and cowrie shells as I have displayed it on the, as you can see it. So yes, same way, two jump rings and then one cowrie shell, two jump rings and another cowrie shell, and so on. So this is the procedure I'm going to follow, so you'll just see it, then I'll get back to you. So now I'm going to add these hook and also extra jump rings at the other side. The bracelet is almost done, but I still feel this is a bit small, so I'm going to extend it using jump rings. And since it's looking simple, very empty, I added two more cowrie shells, and now it looks good, colorful and nice. So let me just try it on and confirm that it might fit her. Obviously my size won't fit anyone, so I had to keep extra jumpings, and yes, this looks amazing. I love such simple ones. So you all let me know how did you all like it. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.